So here's where I left off today. I'm not done, but I am not totally happy with this composition. And the original, as my husband pointed out, was a square motif, yes. But I was trying to use the canvas that I have kicking around right now. So, unfortunately, it translates different. I'm not sure it's as successful. And also, I don't like what I did here for making like bubbles for where the water comes. I had it a little more loose and more Bob Rossy before, and now I'm like, ugh, too tight, you went too far. So anyway, tell me what you think. If there's some things that you would change or add, tell me about that. I'm open to suggestions.